Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of shakshuka. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 3 medium-sized tomato, finely chopped, 2 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. I need half bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chilli and half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 4 eggs, finely chopped coriander, tomato paste and oil. Okay, here I took a frying pan, I have added oil. Now we'll add onion. Now mix it well and we will cook it for about 5 minutes. Now we will add chopped garlic and green chilies. Mix it for about 2 minutes and then we will add red bell pepper. Now add red bell pepper. Now we will add red chili powder, cumin powder and salt. Now add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it well. Add tomato. Cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Add half glass of water. Now mix it well and let it cook for about 5 minutes. As you can see, tomatoes are cooked well. We will add coriander now. Now we will start adding eggs one by one. Now sprinkle some black pepper and salt. Now cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. As you can see, shakshuka is ready. I will garnish it with coriander. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.